Okay. See, all of you see here, there will be 8 stations, 8 stations in the practical, and then each station will have 2 marks. So the total marks for the practical or OSPE exam is 16. Okay. So 8 stations, 2 marks each. So that is total 16 marks. Each station, so each station will have 2 questions. It has 2 parts. So one A and B, like this, 2 parts. Okay, it is clear here. Any doubts in this? No means what? You understood this? Okay. So once again I repeat, there are 8 stations, 2 marks each, and total 16 marks. So practical exam will be for 16 marks. Okay. So next I told each station will have 2 questions. Next I will show you like this. Okay. So this is for example station 1. So today's example, if you take what we discussed, the urinary bladder. What is A? Identify the pointed structure. So what you have to do? You have to answer this. So you will be given the paper, and in the paper you have, so there is a space. There you have to write A and B. So what is A? You have to write where there is a section A. It is, what is this structure? What is this structure? Yes. So this identify the pointed structure is urinary bladder. So what is question B? The question B is mention its relations in male. So what are the structures related in the male? So what it is? What are the relations? It is just an example. So yeah, it is light behind. It is not in the sacrum. Where the sacrum? Is it any relation in the sacrum? It is present in the male. It is present in front of the rectum. Okay. Okay. In this picture, so this picture is showing about the female. Just I am giving the example. It is not nothing to do with. It is not like that. So there are so many other questions. Okay. Suppose if we ask, so it is a same question. Just remember, identify the pointed structure. So what you will write? Urinary bladder. For the same structure, mention the structure related to base of this organ in male. So what are the structures related to base of the urinary bladder in male? You have to list all. Now it is clear. For this thing, for the second question, you have to read the lecture classes. Okay. Okay. So one more example I will give. See this. So answer this. Identify the pointed structure and side. Anyone can answer this? You can speak in the mic also. It is not like that you have to write, you have to type, and you can talk in the speaker. It is there in your screen, the question. Can you see the question? What middle lobe of the kidney? It is wrong. Why it is middle lobe? No. Identify the pointed structure and side. No, 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 no. Identify the pointed structure means you have to write this whole organ. Right kidney, yes, right kidney is correct. Okay. And then the second question, mention 4 anterior relations to it. What are the 4 anterior relations? Any 4. No. If you write hepatic area, you will get the marks, but not full marks. Suppose for each 4 example, the anterior relations. So any 4 relations means you have to write right lobe of the liver, not hepatic area. No hepatic area or what is there in the picture, it will not accept. You have to write the structures related to it. The duodenal area means you have to write second part of the duodenum. Okay. Then only you will get full marks. See, if suppose we give this, and again if you write the duodenal, I will make it clear now. If you write duodenal area or area wise, if you write all those things, you will not get full marks. I am repeating again and again. If you write hepatic area, duodenal area, jejunal area, or suprarenal area, you will not get full marks. What is the right answer? Right answer right answer I have already told. You have to mention the area structures related to it. Hepatic area means you have to write right lobe of the liver, second part of the duodenum, and ileum, right colic flexure, right suprarenal gland. These are the answers. Okay. See the anterior relations of the kidney. Okay. Yes. You should write the specific answers. Then only you will get full marks. Now you got the idea? This is how the practical exams. The practical exams will be in the classroom. Yes, you can write like this. Hepatic area in the right lower part of the kidney. Yes, that also you can write. Right lobe of the kidney, right lobe of the liver. That also you can write. Okay. Now it is clear. The practical exams will be in the classrooms. So you all will be divided into like how the arrangements there during the theory exams. So you all will be divided each number of students in each classrooms, and these slides will be displayed. So all these it will be displayed in the lecture hall, and each slide will be displayed for 2 minutes. The timing for each slide or each picture you have to answer in 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the teacher who is present in the classroom, he will change. Okay. Once again, I repeat, the exam will be in the classroom. All the 8 slides will be displayed one by one. Each slide will be displayed for 2 minutes. In the given 2 minutes, you have to answer the questions given to that picture. Okay. So now ask any other doubts. So what are the doubts you have? See everyone. So one more thing, everyone now you will keep quiet. You will not ask anything. Then after that you will do WhatsApp, everyone like that. So this is the time you can clarify more things. Yes. What do you mean by lectures? Everything, whatever, all the lectures you have to study. All the lectures and all the practical slides I have given, you have to study. Okay. Yes. Yes, it is a lot. I that no one, all are helpless. Okay, that also you can write urinary bladder in the female. But here the main important question is like you have to see the questions, how the questions are, how the questions comes. Identification, it's not a big thing. You have to write the second question like this question, like mention the structures related in the male. What mercy, mercy. I'm helpless. No one can do anything. What the answer means? See, this is for the example in the male. In the male, here in for this, in the male, it lies according to this question. It lies in front of the Rectum. That is the answer in this picture. According to this question. What bigger I am not understanding. Yes, you have to study everything. The second question, see, all of you remember the second question is from the lecture class. You have to know each and everything from the lecture. It may be anything. Okay. It may be anything from the second lecture. No, no, don't focus any specific points. We can ask anything in the second lecture. Say, suppose if I give, so if you are seeing the urinary bladder, so in the urinary bladder, name the structures. Okay. Practical exam should come for practical lectures. No, no, no. What practical lectures? What do you mean by practical lectures? What practical lectures? So if you mention the organ, it is the practical is finished. No, it is not like that. It is not like that. You have to answer, you have to read the lectures and answer lectures. That is there. Who will come from another lecture means? What is this? Who will come from another lecture? Can we study the slides you give us last? Yeah, the last. See, those are the only pictures. Last week I have given the practical pictures. According to that, we ask the questions. It is like this, what I am showing now. What I am showing now, the exam will be like this. You can ask your senior students. You can ask your senior friends. Those who are taken the exam last year, how it is. You have to read the lecture part for the practical exam. No, no, no. It is not. See, whatever the decision is there, it is not in my hand. All the instructions they are given from the college and the department. According to that, we are conducting the exams. So it is the exam is not in my hand or not. It is not my personal opinion. Okay. See, I can't do anything regarding exam. I can't do anything. The rules are rules. The exam is like this only. Okay. So if anything else, that is why if it is the online, it is very easy for you. Otherwise, if you come for the lab, then it is at least we are making very easy for you. Here you are just seeing, identifying, finishing. That's all. See, I can't do anything. That is my clear answer. Regarding exam rules, I can't do anything. So these are the same things we are doing from many years. So there is no change in anywhere, anything, nothing. Yes, all the pictures, regarding the pictures of the practical exam, the slides which are given for the practical session, we will take the pictures only from that picture practical slides. And the second question, it will be the question B from, you have to answer from the lectures. Okay. See, whatever the structures present in the heart, the pictures, we will ask like that only. Okay. Yes, all the pictures we have studied with us, right? Yes. Yeah, I have given. That's why. All the pictures what I have given. The PowerPoint which I have given as a practical for the first semester. So those are the only pictures will come for the exams. Any other doubts? See, I am telling you the questions which will be like this only. What I am showing in the picture right now. Station 1. Identify the pointed structure. Mention its relations in the mail. The questions will be like this. It is not extraordinary thing. It is the same thing which we are done last year also. You can ask the last year students. That I can't do anything. So each section, so everyone, if everyone tell like this, then there will be no exam only. So if you tell so many lectures, so many things means for all the other subject, so then when you will have the exams, so the exam will not conduct. Yes, 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 yes. You have to study. If you don't study anatomy, then what you will you will not learn anything. Everything, everything. See, you have to follow the question. If it is identification, you just identify the structure. Okay. See, in this slide, what I have given, identify the pointed structure and side. The questions will be specific. Identify the pointed structure and the side means you have to write the side of the, yes, location. Function we will not ask. We will not ask the function. Function will not be asked. Okay. Location is, we will ask location. Yes. We will ask the numbers. We won't ask the functions. Okay. Other things you have to write. Whatever it is, if any structure having one part, you can write one part. If it is having three parts, you have to write three parts only. If it has more than three parts, there we will suppose if any one structure is having six parts, in that we will ask four. Write any four relations of the structure, like that. Yes, maximum. Okay, like this. What in this picture you have to write right side of the kidney. Okay, that is the answer for A. For B, mention four anterior relations. So how many relations are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 relations. So out of this 5, you have to write 4. So what are the 4? It is right suprarenal gland, right lobe of the liver, second part of the duodenum, and then the fourth one is right colic flexure. This is your answer. Now it is clear. See, I have given all the pictures to you only. Out of that, anything will come. Any pictures from the practical session slides. That is what I have given here. The practical slides I have already given. It is there in the blackboard. See, first semester dental practical, I have given all the slides. So they are the slides. In that slides only, we will select the pictures for the practical exam. Yeah, you have to, this is the protocol. This is the rule only. You have to know both practical slides and lecture slides. This is the rules. Don't get confused. See, everyone are asking the repeatedly the same question. You have to write theory also. You have to write theory also. You have to write. Okay, don't ask the repeatedly the same question. Everything except function. You have to answer. You should know all the lectures slides. Okay, you yourself making confusion. If you ask repeatedly the same thing, you will get confused. What I am telling, First thing, you have to identify the picture. And for the second question, you have to answer from the lecture class. Okay. This is the rules which it is following from each, and even in the medical college also same, in the dental college is also same, nursing college, paramedicals, each and every college it is the same thing. There is no change in the rules. We can't make any relaxation. You have to study for the practical also, you have to study the lecture classes, and for the theory exams also you have to study the lecture classes. Okay, so don't get confused. The same thing I am telling from the previous class also, I am telling the same thing. Yes, all the things except function. Okay. So any other doubts? Okay then, shall we close the session?